Hey, my fellow 8-track minions, this is Barry with Barry's 8-track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we're out to overthrow CDs and USB sticks and MP3s. We're going back to the 8-track. We're going to send the whole world back to the fully analog world of the 8-track. And so for that movement, I thought it would be appropriate to demonstrate the collectible of all 8-track collectibles, the Weltron 2001 Spaceball. Now, they make a later version of this that has only push buttons. That one I don't work on. It's just an absolute nightmare. There's no service information for it. And so this is the only style of the Weltron that I work on. And you can tell by the 3 slide controls, to tell that apart from the other one. So let's go ahead and got it set to FM radio at the moment, so let's turn it on. Got our stereo light. No, I don't have the antenna extended, so I'll just act as the antenna myself. And another thing, the sound's going to be very muffled because I don't have mics right up to the speakers. My bench is not set up for this type of unit, so you'll just have to hear the results through my headset mic, so I'll stay kind of close to the machine. Let's give an AM a quick check. Okay, there's the one strong AM station I get. Okay, let's go to the tape. And I'm looking for my Neil Sedaka test tape, which is still over on the desk. Be right back.
It's an absolute travesty.
I love your passion. I love your mind. When I think about the treasures I was given as a child.
Alrighty. We got some Neil Sedaka going in.
Beethoven and the Bible.
Put it on tape position. Switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay. No music between tracks, so the head is aligned properly. Switch tracks a few more times. Check our balance. All the way left. All the way right. Okay, there's tone control. Okay, a few more track changes. Alrighty, that takes care of it. Everything is working properly and she's ready to go back to the customer. I forgot to mention who this is from. This unit comes from Trey in Beaver Falls, Pennsylvania. It's out of a 2021 residence. Had you going for a while, didn't I? Okay, guys, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and Classic Car Radio Repair. I used to know my name. And my primary business is classic car radios and 8-track players, but I also accept home units, obviously. I don't accept all home units. It just depends on parts availability issues and things like that, so you might want to check with me before sending in. I do work on the Weltron 2001 Spaceball, not the 2009 Spaceball though, just the 2001. Thanks for watching and listening, folks. You can reach me at 928-533-9666. That's for paying repair customers only. Do not call this number looking for a belt, a part, or any kind of free repair advice. This is a business and I don't earn my living by giving away what I've worked for. Thanks so much for watching and listening. We'll see you next time.